What up, YouTube? You already know what it is, what it ain't. It's your boy Dylan. I'm back with another video. And today, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm not gonna sit here and cap like Boston Richey ain't my boy or one my boy. Like, I ain't fuck with him, I ain't listen to his music. Bruh, like, this shit is real deal making me sad. Like, bro, I'm really hoping your ass ain't tell, cause bruh, it's too, like, you say too much gangster shit and street shit. But I ain't gonna cap and be like and act like I just thought he was just this super gangsta ass nigga. Like, you could tell he looked like one of the type of people who used to play too much when niggas was younger and shit. So like, I ain't never really look into the gangster side too much, but he make good ass music. You feel me? Like, you could be a trapper without being super gangster. So like, you know what I'm saying? He just, you know what I mean? Like, let's get right into it. I ain't gonna do too much talking. Real Boston Richey arrested by state troopers during high-speed chase with handguns and vehicle? Nigga, you're on a high-speed chase? Hold on, wait, whoa. This is crazy. High-speed chase is crazy. Especially when they know it's you. You gotta go pull this bitch over. Bro, this is wild as fuck. What make y'all stop? Like, what the hell made y'all stop? If you was just gonna stop either way, like, why you just ain't stop when it was gonna be a regular traffic stop?
I don't care about your phone. Get on the car now. Get on the ground. Cross your ankles. Passenger, get on your face.
Dumbass nigga.
Jaden Foster, professionally known as the real Boston Richey, is a rapper out of Tallahassee, Florida. He was recently pulled over and arrested after attempting to flee from state trooper, just going under 130 miles per hour. After a search of Jaden's vehicle, troopers were able to find firearms and drugs. His father also arrived during the traffic stop, to which he was arrested as well.
Get on the ground. Cross your ankles. I don't care about your phone. Get on the car now. Get on the ground. Cross your ankles. Passenger, get on your face.
On a black Cadillac truck with 2021. Returning back to the motor car.
Bro, like, why you just ain't pull over? Bro, ain't gonna lie, I feel like people who should be able to have like certain intent should be rappers and and like the president. Important, not like saying that rappers are important or they not important. I feel like important people should, or people who have like a certain amount of money should be able to have a tent, because like at that point you're a target. So if a bitch see you out and about, they gonna follow you. So you need this type of tent.
All units, this number is 1098, 1033, 1098, 33.
Yeah, I got you. Thanks. Why you driving like that, man? 126? Why you doing it? 45. Yeah, I want you to be straight up.
126 and the 45 is crazy. You try to go to jail.
Man, I think you pull out. You pull out? Pull out. Yeah? And why? Why? I only doing that fast. Why you pull out? Well, I'm doing 53 and 45 is when I pull out. I only have a 30 pop and then you start going in there, I think at 100. Before you know
Bro, what? Hold on, wait.
Yeah, I know. Now,
This nigga Boston still riding around trapping peas. Boston. Oh, that's an awful lot of weed.
you got keys to the car?
They not in there? They're not in the
No. Where the keys at?
They should be in there, like in a cup holder type.
Cup on?
Type. It should be like in there. They not on me?
Alright. Exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you speak with a lawyer. You understand each of these rights that I've explained to you?
Yes.
Alright. Have you previously requested any law enforcement officer to allow you to speak with a lawyer?
No.
Alright, with these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me?
Can I just make one phone call, please?
Yes or no, man?
Just one phone call.
You answer the question.
I mean, talk to you about what, though?
Talking about everything that's going on.
I mean, I told you why I ran. I told you why I
With these rights in mind,
Wow.
you wish to speak with me.
Huh?
With these rights in mind, you wish to speak with me.
I mean, everything you asked, I quit. I think I give you an answer to it. So it's like, I'm
It's either yes or
speaking with
no,
you.
man. Look, it either says yes or no. It's either yes or no.
I'll speak with you.
Alright.
I just need to make one phone call. That's
I got
it.
you. I got you.
Just
I
one.
got you. Just let me do my thing real quick. Alright? And I'll get you your phone call.
I just need her here though, like, you feel me, on the scene, like, she pulling for, just cause my property and all this, like, just the whole situation.
I got you. I got you. Who is she to you?
My girlfriend, yeah.
Okay. Does she live here locally?
Huh?
Does she live here locally?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'll make a phone call and get her over here to where you can get your property, okay? We'll see if we can make that happen, right? Now, why would you think it'd be a great idea to punch it all up to 126 we can have traffic like that? Why do you think you just...
Did the police just say why y'all going 126 while y'all like trapping like that? Huh? Am I tripping?
No, why would you think it'd be a great idea to punch it all up to 126 we can have traffic like that?
Traffic or trapping?
Why do you think you're just gonna get away?
Yeah, nigga.
I mean, it'd be one thing with TPD or LCSO, but man, same trooper, we ain't gonna give up.
I ain't gonna lie.
I mean, I appreciate...
State trooper don't fuck off, boy. State trooper. Boy, they ass is everywhere. Like, I don't even think they be having a station. State trooper, like, super cops to me. They be having tight ass uniforms, tan and shit.
Stopping. I mean, that's the only good thing that you actually did, truly. But, I mean,
I ain't do nothing good. I ain't tell you about.
Other than telling me about the weed, because I could smell it as soon as I went up to the truck. I could smell it. Is there anything else in that car other than that plate of weed?
That's it.
What about the weed that's in the green bag? Or in the black bag with a gun? Whose gun is it?
I get the phone call, man.
Whose gun is it?
Let me just get the phone call. I ain't gonna lie, he ain't got nothing to do with nothing. Like,
He ain't got nothing to do with it?
no.
Alright.
He ain't got nothing to do with nothing.
But you're just selling dope? That's it?
He ain't got nothing to do with nothing.
Alright.
Now this what nigga ain't gotta say nothing. Rich bitch. I can't wait to meet this fuck nigga. I can't. I fuck with this nigga. He's stupid. Look at him. He just sitting back there with all this jewelry and shit on. Look, he like, like, I know that look. I know that look. It's like, damn. Boy, I ain't have to say shit. Boy, I ain't never had to do that. Boy, what the fuck? But if I go home, what the fuck?
Honestly, I work with you, but what you got in the car? So where's the weed at?
Alright, your money in your hat is going to be right here in this passenger seat. It'll be given to you whenever we decide what we're going to do.
He cooperating and shit, just sitting there. This is what you're supposed to do when you're a rapper.
What's your first name?
J-A-L-E-N.
Alright.
Phone's there for S-T-R. My ID is there too.
And your birthday?
020497.
020497.
February 4th, 97.
Social security number?
Yeah. I think I got it in my bag also too.
What's your middle name?
Tiny, T-A-H-E-E-N.
Alright, and before we go any further, just so that you have this in mind, I'm going to read you your rights, okay?
Yeah.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to speak to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions, and to have him or her with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer any questions without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering at any time. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you speak to a lawyer. Do you understand each of these rights as I've explained them to you?
Yeah.
Have you previously requested any law enforcement officer to allow you to speak to a lawyer?
No.
With these rights in mind, do you wish to speak with me?
About what?
Huh?
About what?
Right now, I don't have a specific question for you, but in the future, if we have any questions for you on this traffic stop. Guess what? You can't park there!
Don't drive.
Hey, if you don't move your truck, I'm going to tell you.
Now you're a pedestrian and violating the traffic law. I need ID.
He can't really even say nothing or do nothing for real. He just gotta watch his daddy get arrested. I hear this shit. He see the shit though. Can you imagine?
You created a traffic hazard.
No problem coming.
Okay.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. And yes, you know, when you come in there, you know.
Before he comes and pass down our so confused. But do you have anything on you that we're concerned about that I might have missed after we bring that down?
And I have my wallet and you see my gold on my wallet. I just pulled $10,000 out of my bank. I got my receipt on my wallet.
Yeah, I know. I already told him.
Let's go.
I already told him. That trooper right there is going to go over the specifics of exactly why you're being arrested. Alright, I can't go over all that because that's on him. That's on the one
I'm a pastor, man. Y'all scared me. Y'all woke me up. I just left in the taxi over to go to the studio. And I got my bank. I got it.
So listen to me real quick, kid, so you know what's going on, alright? That trooper right there has made the decision to arrest you. On what charges, he's going to have to discuss with you in detail, okay?
I ain't going to jail. Yeah, man. I don't get it. I'm a rapper. Like, I don't get in no trouble.
But with the understanding that you're going to jail, if you have any drugs on you that I might have missed, it is in your best interest to tell us now.
You can search me again. And for all my money.
He's going to search you again, but I'm giving you the opportunity.
I'm straight in for all my money.
No, because you know what happens if you introduce drugs into the jail.
You can search me 3-4 times. I got no drugs on me. And I got my bank. If you get in my bag, I've been instructed on which way to go my wallet. I got a bank receipt. I just put like $10,000 on my bank. Like,
is that how much was in your pocket there?
I've been spending good. I probably got like 4 or 5 dollars. I've been spending. I think I got like 4 dollars.
Because I'm just going to count it before.
No. I know it ain't $10. I've been spending. I put on like 2 weeks ago. I've been shipping out to the
The only thing I got of yours.
Can you tell me what you're talking about?
I don't know. Like I just said, I just got here. All right, same time.
Hey.
What's up?
He has my cell phone in his car.
Okay, we'll get it. Same time.
Can you open the door? Open the door.
Hang on. What's up?
I think he put my cell phone on the person. He has to, ain't nothing in my phone, but he has no right to go in my phone.
I got you. We'll figure out what's up with the phone. So
So I told him, don't forget my phone. That's my business phone.
I got you, man.
I have a global detail business. That's how people contact me.
I got you, bud. Thanks, Hey, you got his phone?
This is Boston Richey Daddy, y'all. Daddy Richey.
He can get my phone to my wife.
I'm just going to put it up here right now. Okay?
My wife can call, so she can call Emmanuel. She can call our bondsman.
Okay, we'll take care of that. Hang tight.
Well, for the most part, Boston Richey probably went to jail. His daddy went to jail. His homeboy definitely went to jail because he took the rap for everything. So, I'll see y'all next video. Long Live Quizzy. Tune in.
Okay. We play with them drums and sticks cause we some rock stars. I can pull some strings and play that shit like guitar.